ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವೆ ಗಿನಿಮರಿ 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 ಗಿನಿಮರಿ. What are you feeding? Rice. Cooked rice or raw rice? Raw rice. Why don't you study? I'll study. Who's he standing there? He's my brother, called Abhi. Is he a good boy? Do you love ragi ball? Yeah. 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 Now you're going to eat ragi ball, aren't you? Okay. Okay. I'm ready for. Will you eat ragi ball, my boy? Come here to me. Yes. 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 I'll eat. Come forward. I did. How she looks. Yay. Who is she? What's her name? She is my parrot. Her name is Papa. Papa? Yeah. What kind of Papa is she? She's my Papa. Baby. She's my baby. Baby? Hello, Papa. What's your name, Papa? Who is he? Without teeth. He's my brother without teeth. Can you understand what I'm speaking? Yes. Yeah. Show me her face.